guys. I want to show you guys my dog snoring right now. I don't want to make too much noise because I don't want to wake him up, but as you guys can hear, my dog is snoring. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy that, and I hope my dog has some sweet dreams.